that boy. That boy wet. That's what wet look like. I'm just talking shit. Let me stop playing. All right, so we out here for part 2 of my video. This is the paint video. Now I was gonna be petty and just show y'all the before and the after, like no in betweens. Y'all don't want to see me having to deal with headaches and issues I had to, take care of. But no, I'm gonna show y'all everything I had to go through, cause this shit was not easy. So look at it. I mean, it's looking good. I like how the color laid down. I like how my clear laid down. I had a few issues with dust. And I actually had an issue. Let me show you this. I had an issue with, let me put my cup down, hold on. I had an issue with my spray gun. When I had put my clear coat in the spray gun, I didn't have my cap tight all the way. So I had some clear coat spill out on me and it hit the car. You can see these little runs right here. There's a run right there. There's a run right here. So when I was painting the car, I had the gun tilted and I had clear coat spill out from the top of the gun. And I kind of got frustrated and I just stopped. But I should have kept going. I should have kept laying my clear coat down, at least 3 coats. So I could have came back and just wet sanded this down and then either did a flow coat or just a wet sand and cut and buff. But what a cut and buff is when you actually wet sand it down with like some 1500 or 2000 grit sandpaper. And then you get your polisher and your rubbing compound and you polish and you do your waxing, all that stuff. I ain't really that experienced with doing that, so I'm gonna do what they call a flow coat. A flow coat is when you just sand your clear coat down. You gotta have at least 3 coats of clear on there. You're gonna basically sand down a coat, get the surface smooth, and then you come back and you spray 2 or 3 more coats of clear coat on top of that. That should give you a good enough, like smooth, that glass, like look that you want to get on your paint. Let me show you this real quick. You can kind of see that orange peel. It's a light orange peel. Like the paint look kind of rough, like kind of wavy a little bit. When I sand this down, it's going to be smooth like glass. But I'm going to come back with some more clear and flow coated. And hopefully it stay flat. But like I say, it looked pretty good so far. I like how the color look. That candy there, I got this red velvet pearl that's hitting on there a little bit. I had some issues with the front bumper too. It's like a bunch of trash got in my paint right here where the headlights is. I think I had some dust and dirt stuck up in here. I didn't blow it out good enough. So when I started painting, all that stuff came off from back here and then it just laid right here. I just sprayed right on top of it. So it's not bad, but you can see little rough like pebbles and stuff in here. You see that? Yeah, I don't like that. So I'm gonna just sand this all the way back down. Probably primer it again, base it, candy, pearl, all that shit, and then come back, flow coat. So I'm gonna sand this whole color down. Like the rest of this bumper pretty good. So I'm gonna still sand it down with some 800, flow coat it, get it flat. So that's where I'm at with this right now. Okay, yeah, and then see how smooth it got? Them runs gone. That surface smoothed out a little bit better. See how that orange peel still right here on that side? That side smooth. That's how I want it to look, so I'm gonna keep going. As you can see, this whole area right here is smooth now. Ain't no little dust, no dirt chips in here no more. I used some 400 grit sandpaper. I got both sides looking good. Now I'm gonna just come back and I'm gonna blend this in. I'm gonna flow coat it, lay some more clear coat down. It's gonna be as good as new. I also seen some little imperfections like on this whole passenger side. I don't think my candy laid down smooth how it's supposed to. I kept seeing tiger stripes and like clear spots, dark spots. So I'm gonna sand this whole side back down too. Blend that whole area back in. Flow coat it with some more clear coat. Get this whole car looking wet how it's supposed to be. So we getting there. All right, that's that for now. So it's gonna be to be continued. I'm trying to find some rims for this boy, so I've been rim shopping. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of that real quick. All right, let's do it.